Spring is one of the busiest and most exciting times in the life of a flowerpecker. As the weather grows warmer and food becomes more abundant, these tiny birds begin their breeding season. Male flowerpeckers usually arrive at the breeding grounds first. They sing loudly from treetops and bushes to attract females and defend their territory. Their vibrant plumage and energetic songs help them stand out among rivals. Once a female chooses a mate, the pair begins building their nest. They skillfully weave grass, leaves, bark, and soft plant fibers into a small, cup-shaped nest. The nest is usually hidden deep within tree branches, tall grass, or dense bushes to avoid predators.
After the nest is complete, the female lays a few small eggs. She spends most of her time incubating them, keeping them warm until they hatch. During this time, the male helps defend the territory and brings food back. About 2 weeks later, the tiny chicks begin to hatch from their shells. They are completely dependent on their parents. Both the mother and father bird work tirelessly from sunrise to sunset, searching for insects, caterpillars, and other small creatures to feed their fast-growing brood. About 2 weeks later, the tiny chicks begin to hatch from their shells. They are completely dependent on their parents. Both the mother and father bird work tirelessly from sunrise to sunset, searching for insects, caterpillars, and other small creatures to feed their fast-growing brood.
However, the breeding season does not always go smoothly. One day, while the chicks were waiting for their parents to bring food, a predatory snake quietly slithered up the tree and approached the nest. As soon as they spotted the danger, the parents rushed to the scene. They incessantly raised warning cries, swooped down, and pecked at the snake to protect their young. The battle was intensely fierce. Despite being tiny compared to the predator, the parent birds bravely fought with all their might. However, the snake was too strong and too fast. In the chaos, one chick was unfortunately caught by the snake. Ultimately, thanks to the continuous attacks from the parents, the snake was forced to retreat. Losing a chick was heartbreaking, but the parents did not give up. They continued to care for the remaining ones, bringing food to the nest every day and protecting them more carefully than ever. Thanks to that resilience, the surviving chicks grew up healthy and ready for their very first flights, soaring into the vast blue sky.